Thank you for watching another episode of Stone's Reviews. I'm Rich to help you decide what to love making next. I found on Temu these little brick kits. They come in these little purple boxes. They make little, I would say Brickhead-esque brick builds. They look kind of like this. One one's a little white out because she has a lot of white hair, but we're going to do, I bought probably like 15 of these or whatever to do. When I get them all done, I'll give them a quick review, and we'll also put them all together to see what they all look like. Alright, here we go!
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.